We are back on the floor for another fashion overhaul. I really liked how I done my last one. I just felt like it was super chill. And it was a bit like I was just on FaceTime to my friends showing my clothes. And instead of tea and biscuits this time, I've actually got a bowl of fruit and custard. And if you don't know, get to know. I have showed this in a vlog that's either posted now or going to be posted. Literally, vegan chocolate custard with fruit is literally like Nutella and fruit. It's so good. So I will just be munching this throughout the whole video. I do need to have a quick strawberry though, because that strawberry, oh, looks so good. This video is kindly sponsored by Fashion Nova, so thank you so much for that. The clothes are also gifted. Let's just get straight onto the video. If you want to see what I got from Fashion Nova, then keep on watching. We're going to start with the item I've got on first because I always do that. I've been looking for graphic jumpers at the moment. I just love them. So I grabbed this one. Let me tell you, I've never bought like graphic tees or hoodies. I can tell you the quality is really, really lovely. Some jumpers just, the fit's not nice and like they're thin, but Fashion Nova, you get a big thumbs up from me. So I'm super happy for that. I tell you now, my next haul is literally just going to be jumpers because I have a slight obsession now. It's really nice pink colour, super nice quality, like you can just see. It's got some drawstrings. It's got a graphic print as well. Gives me, I can't remember what designer it is. Is it Palm Angels? Then for the bottoms, let me just show you them, then I'll talk about them. These are them. Very nice. I've actually had these before. I chose them a couple hauls ago and I was like, oh, they just don't fit. Like they're a bit too baggy, so I gave them away. I saw them again on the site and I was like, oh, I love them. I just wish they fitted me. And then Fashion Nova actually have reviews on there, which is so amazing. And I saw in one of the reviews, someone said, oh, so glad they have an adjustable waist. And I was like, sorry, what? I saw no adjustable waist. So then I was like, oh my god, like I could get them to fit me if there's an adjustable waist. I must have just missed it. But they do in fact have an adjustable waist, which made me so happy. It's only a slight adjustable waist, like it's like 2 buckles at either side. They do fit low-waisted on me, which I personally don't mind. Like that's what I was looking for. Fun fact, I actually used to hate people watching me eat. I still do sometimes. It depends on what I'm eating. As always, massive box, you can't even see it. I want to talk to you about the top. Again, I think it's dupe for the Palm Angels. I did wear this the other day, so there might be dog hairs on it. It just says Los Angeles here. It's a long sleeve black top. I love long sleeves with cargos, and I don't really have long sleeves. I have like 2, and I really love them. Normal fit, and then has some angel wings on the back, which I thought was quite fun. I really like this and it's really good quality and it fits amazingly. It's not super oversized. Like I don't like my things too oversized sometimes because I'm so small. Things do swallow me in whole. And then I grabbed another hoodie. Again, I've worn so much of this because I just couldn't wait. I wore this in a vlog. Or a haul. No, I wore it in a vlog and a haul. Hoodie, it's such good quality, so thick and so comfortable, and I just love it. With this graphic teddy thing, again, just says vibes on it. Love the colour. I don't own a lot of like baby blue, but I bought a baby blue pair of trainers, so I'm wanting things to go with it. Wouldn't size up or anything. Then I just grabbed a black one. I think this is different. Yeah, it says youth. I don't really like when things have words on them, like where this one says easy money, this one says youth, that one says vibes. I can get past it because it's a good quality piece. This is actually Fashion Nova men's. It's not super big, so if you are a man or a boy and you are shopping at Fashion Nova for hoodies, I would size up because this fits me amazingly. I love this so much. It's literally the same as this in a t-shirt form. I just thought with cargos, that's kind of what I wanted the hoodies for, just cargos. Isn't this so funny? I'm literally showing the same thing. I don't know why I find that so funny right now. I don't know. Again, the fit is super lovely. T-shirt doesn't feel cheap. It feels really nice. Also, just in case anyone realised, I do have a bruise on my lip. I keep thinking it's chocolate and I'm like, oh my god, I've got chocolate on my lip. I've got 2 colours of this set. It's a little pyjama set. Now this is very cute. Crushed velvet. These do fit like very small, but I like that. So your bum's out a bit. Might want to size up, but I don't mind it. The waistband's really stretchy. It feels really good quality. It's just really cute. It just fits so amazingly. And then it comes with the top, and these have adjustable straps. Who puts adjustable straps on pyjamas? Fashion Nova, because they're smart, and that's why. Just a cute little pyjama set, and I actually thought I prefer the black one, but I actually prefer the reds. Like the black one's cute, don't get me wrong. It's just the black one. If they had a champagne, that would look so good. I actually have not tried underwear from Fashion Nova. I'm trying to try everything, so I've tried like shoes, bags, graphic tees, pyjamas. I thought I'd try it. One thing I will say, what size is this? This is a small. I wish they'd done extra small because It is a bit big because I don't have much going on here. The underwear itself is really good quality. Can you see? I'll have to show this a lot because I'm not going to try this on. The lace is really good quality. It says Fashion Over all along the elasticated bits. It's got adjustable straps as well with some wiring, but it is really comfortable. It just doesn't fit. And then obviously the hooks at the back. I would still wear it. I literally would still wear it. It doesn't matter. Like who's gonna know it's too big? No one. If you watched my last Fashion Over haul, you would have saw I wore a green set. Well, I told you I had it in loads of colours. I grabbed it in the blue. I stuck to my size again. I did mention it is a bit on the tighter side, but I don't mind. If you don't like tight, then size up. This is the thickest, softest, ribbed material ever. I thought the blue would look nice. Maybe not with this hairstyle. Not doing bits. And then obviously the leggings. And these weren't too long, but they're stretchy at the same time. But it's just on the ankle and like calf bit. As you can see, it's literally, you know, but it does stretch. I'm getting the pink and black. I have to. It would be rude not to get the pink and black because they are so nice. And you can just wear them with like fur coats and sliders and stuff. That's the vibe I was going with. Or just trainers. These are not the same pair. They look it. I grabbed a pair of these. I already own these in my wardrobe. They're back there. But I've got them in an extra small. And they're like tight fitting cargos, but I wanted to see if I'd like them a bit looser. Why did I get 2 pair of camo? I don't know, but I love camo. I think pink looks really nice with camo. I have a light pink hoodie that looks really good with camo. Red looks good, orange, literally everything looks good with camo, trust me. On these are just normal waistband, but these have like an elasticated waistband, like on a jogger. So these are more of like a jogger vibe. And then it does have the cuff bottoms. These are really nice. I just thought I'd size up and see if I like the fit better. I then grabbed a dress. You're gonna have to wait to see this on because, you know, that's if I get it on, because when I was trying to try it on, I was getting so confused. If you are a religious subscriber, you know I have spoke about Fashion Nova dresses so many times. If you need a party dress for anything, occasion dress, Fashion Nova is the place to be. Such good quality, good price. Sequins never come off on any of them, like stuck. And I was loving this colour. Like imagine like big bouncy curls with this colour. Really nice. It's got a zip and stuff. I'm just not going to bother because I just can't hold it because you'll see the fit. It's just hard to hold up. Again, if you are a religious subscriber, you would know about Fashion Nova's Velour tracksuits. Literally cheat ears off about them. Told you I will collect every single colour. I don't know why I continue though, because look, you can see how big the waistband is. They are too big for me. Like they literally don't fit me. Do a little low-waisted moment and I get over it really. Love the red. And then comes with the hooded jacket, zip up. So glad I got that. And then, oh my god, somebody stop her. I got a lilac. I don't know, does lilac suit me? We're going to find out. You know, there is 2 types of the velour tracksuits by Fashion Nova. They have the plain ones or they have the diamante ones on the bum. They don't have every colour with diamantes on the bum. I mean, if you could ever catch them in stock because they're always sold out, then go you. I grabbed one. This says, Goddess. Oh, yes. But the diamantes stay well and these wash fine as well. Just do it on a delicate wash. Although the waistbands are big, it does have a cinch. Like look how much she just cinched. She is cinched. And then this is the last one, I hope. Yeah, it is. I grabbed it in a khaki. I think I mentioned in my last haul that I was going to grab it in the khaki. I have a beige fur coat which I thought would look really, really nice. Because I always see people like not dress these up but wear fur coats and it look really nice. Waistband as well. It has pockets. Don't know if I've mentioned that before. I mean, I'm hoping they suit me, them colours. And then I grabbed these 2 hoodies. I will be completely honest, they are very, very thin quality compared to the other jumpers, but they were so cheap, so you kind of get what you pay for in a way. I just wanted a cropped hoodie, but I think I might cut it because I wanted it to come to like here. You could have like a cute bra under and you know, that type of vibe. Because the arms are oversized like I want, but it's just not the cropness I want. And I can't find the cropness I want anywhere. Like I feel like everyone cuts them, but it just means you won't have this thick thing anymore, but that's fine. So I grabbed the black one and then I grabbed a grey one because I just wanted a cropped hoodie. You can see it better now, but I think I am going to cut it. But as I said, you can see the quality is a bit thin, but you get what you pay for type of thing. What did I expect? You might recognise this. I've done a haul with one similar to this before. It comes as a 3-piece, so you really get your money's worth. Quality super fluffy and thick quality. So it comes with the little crop vest. Very nice. Got this in so many colours, this set. Wear them like separately as well. The shorts, the only thing I will say is I wish the shorts were shorter, but that's just because me. Like, they keep you more warm because they're longer. They're more of like a cycling short, but I wish they were like short. Like, I clearly just want to walk about with my bum out. It's got adjustable waistbands. It's really soft and thick. So lovely and comfy, and it just keeps you so warm. Although you've got your legs out, it's just, I don't know, it's just magic. Then it comes with a cardigan. Like, I would just buy this set just for the cardigan because it's so cute. It's not too long neither. It's like maybe just past the bum, maybe. Lovely colour. Like, lovely colour. Imagine with some big fluffy slippers and wavy hair. Oh, it's just so thick. It's so soft, it's like a blanket in itself. And then on to our last 3 items. I got this dress. I've wanted this dress for so long, and it's really lovely, like thick straps, good quality, thick bandage. The only thing is, I feel like it didn't give me enough shape. It is the smallest size, but I feel like if it was just a bit more cinched. But I think it's because it's this thick ruched kind of thing going on. Again, this with wavy hair or like big curly hair and heels. Really nice going out for drinks outfit. I keep trying to hold it up, like I just can't. Imagine someone got a duvet and cut it up and turn it into a dress. Like, that's what I'm feeling like. It's that soft and thick. It's crazy. It's a really nice colour as well. It's quite different. I like different. Then I grabbed this bodysuit. The weird thing is, when it's on my chest, they're not see-through. But if you're wearing dark underwear, that's see-through. It's a ribbed bodysuit. I just wanted like a plain bodysuit just so I can wear with leggings or joggers or even jeans and dress it up with heels. It's a thong back as well, my favourite type of bodysuit. Long sleeves so it'll keep you warmer. It's just a basic bodysuit, if I'm honest. Not a lot to say about it. Gym wear. Girl that doesn't go to the gym. Oh, it's inside out. I'm such a good YouTuber. It's actually a joke. Like, why am I saying it? I'm not. I'm literally a liar. Get the gym bottoms. I would size up in the gym bottoms. I grabbed a extra small. I would have grabbed a small just because I felt like they were a bit stiff to get up. I don't know if that's because I had nails on when I was trying to get them up. They're not super long, a thick waistband. Done the squat test, not see-through. Their gym wear looks really nice. So if you wanted some gym sets, I would definitely check Fashion Nova out because it looks really good. And then this is the matching jacket. I love this jacket. I just wish it didn't have these little toggles here, because if it didn't, I'd love this so much. It is mesh on the back, if you can see, but see through there. And then it's cropped with a thick waistband. It's zip up with a hood. You don't see many gym jackets with hoods. I'm feeling it like this because it's really soft. It's like thick tights. That's the only way I can explain it. It's just really nice. So I imagine if you did actually go to the gym and you was productive, unlike me, and that just wears gym wear to look cute, you would really love this. So everyone, that is the end of my Fashion Nova haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your favourite piece. I'll see you back next month because, you know, as you know, I do monthly Fashion Nova hauls for Fashion Nova, and I love it so much, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Even though I post a lot of Fashion Nova, I love it. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. If you like me, then subscribe. I've already said that. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.